What's up, everyone? I'm getting back into the hobby of video production, shooting, editing, playing with the cuts, playing with the cuts, playing with the cuts. I'm shooting with an iPhone 16 Pro using Final Cut Cam, so I'm getting to test out some really fun software. And I'm editing on my Mac with Final Cut Pro, getting back into the swing of things. For those of you who don't know, 10, 15 years ago, I was pretty heavily into the passion of shooting and editing video. And life gets in the way, things change, roadblocks present themselves that you have to navigate around, and I lost interest, I lost inspiration, and I found it. What you're about to tune into is a video I did with my buddy Marcus. He built a custom PC for streaming and gaming. Check him out at the Marcosian on Twitch. And he submitted a contest, and I helped him create a little video for that contest. And he ended up posting it on his page, and as it turns out, we did pretty well, but we didn't win. But that's all right. I had fun, and we had a great time together in the experience. This is the long version of the video. I ended up cutting down to 1 minute for his channel so he can submit it in the contest. And I figured I'd share a little bit more context and a little bit more of the story with y'all. Side note, I'm trying out a new wireless microphone system I got recently. I love it, and I only wish I had it when we filmed the content originally, but there's always next time. The music you're going to hear is from my buddy Mike, all the way over in Italia. Little does he know, he made some music about 12 years ago, and man, has it been 12 years? Wow. He made that music. I checked the metadata, buddy. It was 2013. It's quite a while ago, man. I miss you, and hope you're well, and hope you don't mind that I took inspiration and used your music in the video. Mike also does video production and is multi-talented. Check him out.
I cannot wait to build this thing. Lian became very popular in my eyes when I found out about like a lot of the RGB stuff, like just a lot of their fans and like aesthetics. They have great functioning products. Their cases really drew my attention to how easy it was to build, and then having like the glass panels so everything kind of just shines. Their cases really give you, like, I did all the work, take a look at it. Like, and you want to admire it. Like, you want it on your desk, looking over and seeing it. Oh. Really wanted to live stream this so badly. So mad I couldn't.
Why can't you?
No internet. We lost internet hour before we were supposed to stream. I think it was. There you go. The Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. Power of the sun in the palm of my hand. It's gonna go into this computer here. Lift up. That. As so. Push down on this. That's on there now. My wife has a 3D printer, so I found a file to place this on top of it. So if I do this correctly, this should go. Put the thermal paste on there, spread it evenly, take it off, and I don't have to worry about missing a corner or it spilling over. Fair glob. Honey, have you seen my Lian Lee wireless fans?
Oh, I see where it went.
Airflow, when and where you need it.